Believe it or not, the journey to your morning glow often begins with the most robust industrial processes imaginable. Watch how it all starts.
Raw ingredients are swiftly moved through precision-timed conveyor systems, setting the stage for a dramatic transformation.
We're just scratching the surface of this industrial marvel. If you're enjoying this deep dive into precision manufacturing, remember to subscribe to my channel.
The raw material is heated and continuously stirred in massive vats, breaking down solid textures until a uniform sections. After intense refining, the mixture becomes a smooth, golden essence. This purified base.
Now, the magic happens. Moisturizing creams are blended in, turning that golden base into the...
These creamy blocks move through a specialized cooling phase, stabilizing the ingredients within a vast, climate.
Automated systems take over, lifting and slicing the solid slabs with surgical precision. These uniform blocks are...
To achieve that signature smoothness, the blocks are shredded into fine ribbons before being compressed and
Fragrances and essential oils are finely misted over the pebbles. A powerful industrial mixer ensures every single piece is perfectly coated and evenly blended. High-pressure rollers compress the pebbles once more, refining the texture until it emerges as a wide, continuous ribbon.
The ribbon is precisely sliced into individual blocks. A high-speed mechanical press then stamps the iconic logo.
The process is identical for every variety. Here, we see the light green version being formed, ensuring that speed and precision are key. Watch as this automated stamping line finishes thousands of bars per hour, ensuring every single logo is perfectly placed.
This season, with the logo stamped, these bars glide toward the finish line. The sheer scale of production highlights
Variety is essential. Now, large pink slabs are shredded into delicate ribbons, ensuring the ingredients are perfectly prepared for a smooth, consistent finish.
High-pressure extruders compress the pink ribbons into a dense, solid form. This process removes air pockets to create a bar that lasts much longer.
Steel rollers flatten the material into smooth sheets. This refining step is crucial for achieving that signature creamy lather when the bar is used.
Precision blades slice the ribbons into thousands of uniform pellets. These small pieces allow for an even distribution of moisture and fragrance throughout.
In the final blending stage, rich moisturizing cream is added to the pink pellets. This step ensures
The mixture is folded and kneaded until it reaches a silky consistency. This thorough blending ensures...
Now, the paste is extruded and instantly sliced into individual shapes. The speed of these wire cutters is essential for maintaining the production flow.
These newly formed ovals travel down the line for a final inspection. Precision sensors ensure that every single bar meets strict weight requirements. The final press strikes, leaving behind a perfectly clear logo. With the brand identity secured, these bars are ready to be carefully flipped.
To create the refreshing cucumber variety, natural extracts are used. Fresh cucumbers are juiced to capture the pure essence that revitalizes your skin. The juice is distilled into a potent concentrate. This highly refined serum is what gives the soap its signature scent and cooling properties. The cucumber serum is finely misted over a fresh batch of white noodles. A massive mixer swirls them together to create a blend.
High-pressure rollers combine the ingredients into a single smooth sheet. This marbling effect ensures the cooling cucumber essence is distributed through every wash.
the material is shredded and extruded into thin ribbons. This process further refines the texture, making
These ribbons are fused together under extreme pressure. Sliced into cubes, they are now ready for the final molding into the bars.
High-pressure molds transform these cubes into the iconic curved bars. Every press is calibrated to ensure the surface is flawlessly smooth for your skin. The final touch is the precision stamp. Watch as each bar is marked with a crisp logo, signaling it has passed every quality check. Back to the classic white formula. Massive slabs are shredded into thousands of ribbons, creating a vast surface area for the next infusion. Here is the secret. Rich, moisturizing cream is poured over the ribbons. This integration is what makes the final bar feel so uniquely creamy. The mixture is kneaded until it becomes a glossy, uniform paste. Every batch is tested for that perfect balance of cleansing and deep hydration. Powerful extruders shape the paste into continuous rounded logs. These move swiftly toward the cutting wires to be divided into individual bars of soap.
High-speed wires slice the logs into uniform blocks with rhythm and precision. These individual units are now ready for the final branding stage.
The molding chamber applies extreme pressure to create that polished, ergonomic shape. It is designed to fit perfectly.
With the manufacturing complete, thousands of bars move toward the packaging zone. This transition marks the end of the raw production cycle for today.
Each bar is wrapped in specialized paper to lock in the moisture and fragrance. High-speed machines fold and seal every unit in a blink. Great. Precision robotics now take the lead, sorting these freshly wrapped bars into perfectly aligned rows. The individual bars are grouped and slid into their final retail cartons. Every box is glued and sealed within a fraction of a second. Retail boxes are stacked into heavy-duty shipping cases. This automated layering is the final step before these products head out to global markets. Industrial robots handle the heavy lifting, stacking shipping cases onto pallets with surgical precision. These loads are now ready for the distribution warehouse. Quality control is never overlooked. In our specialized lab, every batch is tested to ensure the pH balance and moisture levels are perfect. We even test the lather manually. This machine simulates a standard wash to guarantee the signature rich foam you expect from every bar.
The journey doesn't stop with bars. Here, we see our moisturizing principles adapted into a
High-speed nozzles fill dozens of bottles at once with clinical precision. This automated line keeps pace with the massive global demand for skincare. Automated grippers snap and twist caps into place, ensuring every bottle is leak-proof and ready for the long journey to your home.
The final touch is the label. Watch as high-speed arms apply the branding with flawless accuracy, making these bottles shelf-ready in an instant.
We now move to our botanical series. These blocks are shredded into delicate curls, preparing the base for an infusion of refreshing green tea extracts.
Essential botanical oils are misted over the ribbons. This infusion ensures that every wash provides a soothing and natural experience for those with sensitive skin.
The mixture is compressed through powerful extruders. This creates a dense, solid form that removes air.
Mechanical wires snap with surgical precision, dividing the logs into uniform blocks.
Each block is pressed into a modern oval shape. Our high-pressure molds ensure a polished finish that feels comfortable and natural in your hands.
Trace. The final brand identity is embossed instantly. This automated stamping ensures that every bar can...
Massive steel rollers flatten the mixture into thin sheets. This milling process ensures the exfoliating beads.
The material is shredded and extruded into thin, speckled ribbons. This unique visual texture reflects the deep cleansing power.
Speckled ribbons are fused under extreme pressure. Sliced into cubes, they are now perfectly prepared for the final molding into our specialized exfoliating bars.
High-speed molds shape these speckled cubes into sleek bars. The embedded beads are positioned to provide a gentle exfoliating massage during every use.
Our signature logo is stamped with precision. Even with embedded beads, the finish is professional.
A final moisturizing mist is applied to the surface. This serum provides an extra layer of hydration.
The bars pass through a specialized drying tunnel. This sets the outer layer, preventing sticking and preparing. We now process our sensitive skin range. This dye-free white base is shredded into thick ribbons, maintaining the purity required for the most delicate skin.
Hypoallergenic oils are carefully blended in. This specialized formula is designed to cleanse gently.
The pure white mixture is extruded into dense logs. Without air pockets or impurities, these bars offer...
Precision cutters divide the logs into individual units. The rhythmic pace ensures that our sensitive skin range reaches the packaging line with perfect uniformity.
Each bar is pressed into a rounded edge. This ergonomic design is crafted for comfort, reflecting the gentle nature of
The final logo is applied with clinical precision. These bars glisten on the line, ready for a final visual inspection before they are wrapped up.
Technology leads the way in quality control. High-speed cameras scan every single bar, ensuring that only those with a flawless surface move forward. Perfection is non-negotiable. Any bar with even a minor blemish is instantly removed by this pneumatic arm, maintaining our strict standards for every customer. Sustainability is built into our process. Rejected bars are simply melted down and recycled, ensuring zero waste while maintaining the highest possible quality.
For our most luxurious range, we add pure shea butter. This rich, golden oil is...
The mixture is kneaded until it reaches a buttery smoothness. This formula is specifically designed to provide. The shea butter blend is extruded into solid logs. The warm, inviting color is a natural result of the high-quality ingredients used in this batch.
Branding is the final step. The iconic logo is embossed deeply into the center, completing a design that is as beautiful as it is functional.
Science meets art in our fragrance lab. Here, every scent is meticulously calibrated to ensure it remains fresh and consistent from the first wash.
Next, we process the cooling blue variety. These vibrant slabs are shredded into delicate ribbons, ensuring the color and cooling agents are perfectly distributed. High-pressure extruders compress the blue ribbons into dense logs. This process creates a solid form that guarantees a
Massive rollers flatten the material into smooth sheets. This refining step is essential for achieving the silky smooth surface that defines our premium skincare bars.
Precision blades slice ribbons into thousands of pellets. This rhythmic pace is the heartbeat of our facility, preparing the base for the final infusion.
In the final blending stage, rich moisturizing cream is added. This ensures every blue bar provides the molding chamber applies extreme pressure to create that polished ergonomic shape. It is designed to fit perfectly in your hand for every use.
The final logo is applied with clinical precision. These blue bars glisten on the line, ready for pack.
Each bar is wrapped in specialized paper to lock in freshness. High-speed machines fold and seal every unit in a blink, ready for distribution.
We now move to our soothing lavender range. These purple blocks are shredded into delicate curls.
Calm starts here. Lavender oils are misted over the ribbons, ensuring every wash provides a soothing floral experience to help you unwind at night.
The lavender mixture is extruded into dense logs. Without air pockets or impurities, these bars offer a consistent.
Precision cutters divide purple logs into individual units. This rhythmic pace ensures our lavender range reaches.
Each bar is pressed into a rounded silhouette. This ergonomic design is crafted for comfort, reflecting the gentle nature of the calming formula inside.
The final logo is applied with precision. These purple bars glisten on the line, ready for a final visual check before being shipped worldwide.
Welcome back. As production ramps up, high-speed sensors sort different varieties into dedicated lanes, ensuring every shipment is perfectly organized for global delivery.
Dedicated wrapping machines work in parallel, sealing freshness into every bar. The rhythmic motion of the machinery is a testament to modern industrial efficiency.
Efficiency is key for retail. Wrapped bars are bundled into convenient multi-packs using high-speed heat shrink.
Laser precision ensures every pack is tracked. Barcodes and expiration dates are printed in a flash, allowing for total transparency throughout the supply chain.
Behind the scenes, automated assembly lines build retail displays from flat sheets. These sturdy cartons are designed to protect and showcase the product. Behind the scenes, automated assembly lines build retail displays from flat sheets. These sturdy cartons are designed to protect and showcase the product. Robotic precision ensures the bundles are perfectly seated. This automated placement prevents damage and maintains the professional look required for premium store shelves. The scale of our operation is truly breathtaking. Thousands of pallets wait in our climate-controlled warehouse.
The logistics dance begins here. Forklifts load our high-quality bars into containers, destined for.
Across oceans and continents, our products travel safely. This global supply chain ensures that no matter from the factory floor to your bathroom sink, the long journey is complete, and the bar is finally ready to fulfill its moisturizing promise.
The moment of truth. As you unwrap the bar, the fresh scent we carefully infused at the plant finally fills your personal space.
Water brings our formula to life. Watch as the rich moisturizing cream creates that signature lather, designed to cleanse and hydrate your skin simultaneously.
It's more than just a wash, it's an experience. The gentle formula cleanses without stripping away moisture, leaving your skin feeling soft and healthy.
Gentle enough for your face, our formula maintains your skin's natural barrier. Experience a clean that feels as good as it looks.
The rich lather isn't just for cleaning, it's a protective cushion. Enjoy a smooth, irritation-free shave.
Wherever life takes you, take the comfort of home. Our bars are compact, durable, and ready to provide a familiar clean anywhere.
The future of care is here. Through constant innovation and industrial mastery.
The final stamp is the mark of quality. Watch as each bar is branded with a crisp logo, signifying its completion in our facility.
Freshness is sealed in gold. High-speed machines wrap each bar in specialized paper, ensuring that the rich shea butter scent stays potent for you.
Premium care deserves premium packaging. Robotic arms carefully place the bars into cartons, ready to catch your eye on the retail shelf today. Rhythmic stacking in action. Hydraulic lifts build our pallets layer by layer, creating a stable and secure load for the long journey ahead.
Confidence through care. When your skin feels hydrated and healthy, you're ready to face the day with a glow that only true precision can provide.
Simple on the shelf, complex in its creation. Next time you reach for a bar, remember the incredible industrial journey it took to get there.